Dear students, so today we will learn that how we can read a Excel file or CSV file from the desktop or from any place in the computer C drive. So for this one, you can first we need to know that, for example, for management students, those who are not expert in the coding, so they can search in the Google bar and write a prompt that how to read a file in Python. So they will give you plenty of different codes. So we can copy one of the code and then test it at how it works. So let's suppose we have this code. So we have a data which is about the iris. Okay, iris is a flower, like, and it has different shapes and connotations. So let's see that how it works. So we will, like, first run this one and we will receive an error. So error, if you look at analyze this error, the error is in the file. So it means that the kernel of this Python is not finding mm, the file iris, right? So what we need to do, I think, so we need to specify the path. For example, if I put this in a C drive, okay, and backslash, so if the path is correct, then I hope this will be running. So in this way, if you see over here that what is the problem with it. So this one is giving us error. So we need to see there that we need to see that where is the error. So basically, if you look over here, so comma is here, but the one comma is missing over here. We need to mention the comma, so the color will be changed, right? Now if we just, like, run it, so it must be showing us the file. Okay, so this is the file. If you look at the file, so there are, like, four columns: sepal length, we have, like, sepal width, petal length, and petal width, right? So we have, like, this is very popular data sets, and we have retrieve it. So this is the way that how we can retrieve the file by using the Python code. So for this one, what we need a library pandas, right? Okay, and this library, we can open the file. So when we say open, means like we need to open this file and keep in a variable f. So f is any variable, you can change any name, you can make it a, for example. You can make it a variable, and you need to change all these variables to a, right? And then you can run it again, and the same, like, the same, like, output will be given. So let's suppose I will change the output, so error, okay, and then this one, remove the error, right? So this is the error. Now let's suppose I need just, like, the first line of my data. So if I say line, then I will have my the first line. So for the line, we need to see that where is the exact code. So it gives us some error. So let's see how. So when I see over here, so it gives us error, and it's not showing the line over here. So when I check the code in that Google bar, so I think this one you need to mention the line over here as well. So the function was different. So if I execute this one, so I got the first line of that one, right? So this is that how it works, right? So let me show you the file, that where is the file and where did I keep it. So I kept in the C drive. Okay, here's the C drive. Okay, and this is the iris one. And so when you open it, so it will be open in Excel, and this is the same file which I retrieved. So all the data has been retrieved, and I have saved this data in a single file, in a single variable, which is a over here, and here is f. So you can change it, like, like, to anything. So if you want full, then you need to full contents, right? And then it should be just normal read, right? And then you can apply it, right? So this is that how it works. So I hope now you understand that how you can read a file from your desktop or from your C drive, but you need to be careful that you must supply this a full path. If you don't supply a full path and this double colons, you cannot read your file. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.